Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay and today I am going to teach you how we can use VLOOKUP with a list in MS Excel. For example, I have some data here and I have converted this data into a list. Whenever I select any roll number here, the corresponding data is displayed here. So today we are going to learn how to connect this with the list and how to use the columns formula with VLOOKUP. Before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something new from this video, please make sure to like this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, what you need to do is write down the data you have in this way, like roll number, name, then I have typed the subjects here and I have written total marks and obtained marks. Now, first of all, I will delete these so that I can show you the complete formatting and explain how you need to format this. You need to select the data like this, including the heading, and then go to home and click on copy. After that, click anywhere in a cell below, go to paste and then click on keep source formatting so that the data appears below exactly as it is above. After that, what you need to do is create a list here. Use the ESC key so that the selection is removed from here. Click here and after clicking, go to the data tab. After clicking on data, go to data validation and then click on data validation. As soon as we click on data validation, this data validation dialog box opens in front of you. You need to click on the settings tab and after going to allow, click on list. After clicking on list in the source field, you have to type equals to and then select all the numbers or entries you want to display here. That is, I have selected the first column here and after that when we click OK, you can see that the list has been created here. Now after that, what you need to do is select all these cells like this so that you can add the formula to all the cells at once. We write equals to and then you need to type VLOOKUP here. As soon as we write VLOOKUP, it appears below in blue color. As soon as you use the tab key, the formula will be added. After that, you need to click on the cell whose result you want to display here, the one you want to look up, that is this cell. Then press F4 on the keyboard so that we can lock it. Then type a comma and after that select the entire range from which you want to find the data. Press F4 again to lock it and then you need to type a comma here. Now here we will add a new formula, columns. As I type columns, notice that it is highlighted in blue below. Use the tab key so that the formula gets added. After that, from which column do we want to find it here? We have roll number 1, then after that, name, and then math. We need to select the name and math columns here, that is columns B1 and C1. After that, you need to select the first column like this and press F4 on the keyboard so that we can lock it from here. Next, the data we want to find should continue to be found continuously from here onward. Now at the end here, click close the bracket, type a comma, type 0, and then close the bracket again. Now after that, if you want to add this formula to all the cells, you will press enter along with Ctrl so that this formula gets added to all the cells. So as you can see, we just pressed Ctrl enter and this formula has now been added here. Now here, if we select any number, for example, if we click on number 2, you can see that the total we get for number 2 is 373, which includes 564 and 89. Now after that, in the same way, let's check the last numbers. For example, if I click on 12 here, you can see that Farhan appears here and then 52, 87, 41, 81, 5500, 311. So you can see how we connected the list using VLOOKUP and very easily we can display our result here. So this was my lecture for today in which I taught you how to use VLOOKUP with columns and lists. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.